Hey guys, it's Aaron at Rich and Sons. Today on a walkthrough Wednesday, I'm going to take you through the 2021 Sprinter. It's a 25 ml. This has been a very popular floor plan. This unit is actually just under 30 feet. It's 29 feet 11 inches, so just under 30 feet. Weighs just under 8,700 pounds, so it is a nice smaller fifth wheel. Good couples coach. On the outside, you've got your big pass-through storage that's going to go all the way through, so you're going to be able to fit all of your chairs and rugs and all your outside goodies out there pretty easily. You've got power awning over all of that, so you'll get some of the good shade. One cool thing they do on the outside of this is they add a little mini fridge. So on your hot summer days, instead of having to go in and get all your beverages, you can just get them right out here. It's going to save you from getting all the heat on the inside. So kind of unique too. You have all these windows. You'll see on the inside when we go in, this is like a rear kitchen setup. So while you're inside here hanging out prepping food, you can see what's going on outside. So like I said, on the outside, this is a true couples coach. What I mean by that is just, usually a husband-wife couple that goes out on the road. This is going to be for you guys. You have your two theater seats that are power. They do heat as well. You've got your dinette table and chairs. Like I said, this is like a rear kitchen, so you have your refrigerator on the back side here. You've got your sink, tons of counter space here. Stove, oven, microwave, good amount of cabinet space as well. Like I said, those windows all the way throughout, so it gives it a nice look from the outside or from the inside to the outside. Got your sound bar, fireplace, TV that'll swivel, so no matter where you're sitting, you can get a good view of the TV as well. Coming up top here, gonna have our bathroom. You've got a one-piece fiberglass shower, porcelain toilet, medicine cabinet, vanity, good amount of storage in here. You even got a little cabinet here as well, so tons of storage in there. Up front here, you've got your queen bed. You got a slide out on for your wardrobe, so you've got, once again, more space for storage. You also have storage all the way around. USB ports. You've got end tables on both sides, so once again, plenty of storage for you guys when you take off. You even have a nice little TV prep area as well. So, but like I said, this is the 2021 Sprinter 27 or 25 ml. It's priced at $41,999. If you guys have any questions, want to come out and see this unit in person, no matter if it's raining out, hot out, we have it in our showroom here, so come take a look. Give me a call to make an appointment, 308-384-2040. You guys have a great day.